with only what 25 days left till A1. Obviously, all these teams are going to be training super hard, and you're going to get the 250s and the 450s training together. And this is the kind of funny thing: Eli Tomac, Haiden Deegan, young, old, new school, old school, current gen, old gen, whatever you want to call it. Obviously, they're going to be riding together, whether that's just for time or to see where somebody is. And you got the funny thing here of them racing, quote unquote, racing each other in the practice. And if you pay attention to any of the socials going on, it's the kind of the joke that at some point, Deegan passes him, and it's the I'll have screenshots for the actual like Instagram jabs, quote unquote. It's just kind of a funny thing of like, this is the current new school, like Deegan on the 450 or on the 250, not on the 450 Gs, and the future of the sport, and Tomac being the old guard, the last golden generation, whatever you want to call it, with all those people, the soon to be, well, not soon to be, but retiring in a few years, and yeah, here here it is. Here's the screenshots. Like obviously Tomac is in the twilight of his career. At what is he, 32, 33, something like that. You don't ride very much longer past that, so you could probably have two, maybe three more years of him in the sport. Whereas Deegan is just into the 250s for a couple years now. We'll be seeing him. I think the plan they said in 27 for 27, yeah, 27 for 450. So like the new school thing, and it's just kind of a funny like the little joke between teammates of like people passing and not passing and whatnot. But I think stuff like this is funny, and obviously on the off in the off season, geez, there's not much going on. But I don't know. You guys tell me. Comment down below. Are you excited for A1? Who do you think's gonna win? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.